So your Bluetooth stopped working and you want to get it fixed? Well, let's see if I can help. Alright guys, so just real quick, just so you know what I'm working with is this is for a desktop PC only. I can't really speak to a laptop. And the motherboard that I am using is a B550 Aorus Master. So again, I don't have all the answers, but this was just the simplest solution I came up with. And real quick, shill, if this does help you out, please help me out by dropping a like, subscribe to the channel. I would certainly appreciate it. But all right, what are we talking about? So you got Bluetooth enabled motherboard, but you, for whatever reason, it used to work, and now down here in your little action toolbar or whatever this is, your Bluetooth devices icon is missing. And even if you come into your Bluetooth and other devices, your little Bluetooth on-off switch is no longer here. You maybe even come to add a device, click on Bluetooth, and it tells you some little note about turning on your Bluetooth device, but you can't. So how I got this problem fixed was shut down your computer. Once it's shut down, turn off your power supply, unplug the power cord from the power supply, and then hold down your power button on the desktop for 10 to 20 seconds and let it drain all of the power out of your motherboard and all the components. Once that's done, replug in the power supply, turn it back on, turn your computer on, and God willing, you will see your little Bluetooth icon come back. That's what solved it for me. I hope it helps you guys out. Again, if it does, please help me out. Drop a like and a subscribe. I'd certainly appreciate it. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys. God bless.